Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Amazon Echo Buds 2nd generation. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $120 or $140 if you want the wireless charge case. Now these are available in two different colors. You got black or glacier white. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. Now these are Bluetooth version 5.0. They're IPX4 sweat and water resistant. So that means you can't submerge these in the pool, but if you're outside working out and it starts raining, if these get wet, they're good to go. So that's splash resistant. You got dynamic audio. These feature active noise cancellation. You got 3 mics for crystal clear, hands-free calling. You got customizable touch controls. The earbuds work for Android and iOS. So you can have access to all of your voice assistants, such as Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Now the battery life on these is 5 hours on a single charge with active noise cancellation turned on. Now if you turn off ANC, that's going to last you 6.5 hours. Now the charging case is going to give you an extra 15 hours. And one of the biggest features is these feature fast charge. 15 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours worth of playtime. And like I said earlier, these are $120 for without the wireless charging case and $140 with the wireless charging case. All right, so all of that for $120. Let's see what it is. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 2 questions. Number 1, are these worth $120? And number 2, should you buy these or buy the 1st generation for $80 without ANC? All right, so let's unbox these and get busy. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Amazon Echo Buds 2nd generation. Active noise cancellation. All right, no unboxing knife necessary for these. Let's get a little tape right here. Okay, here we go. Okay, to activate, you got to download your Alexa app. Okay. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white
shoes.
I love my white.
Calm down. Coming in late. All right, here we go. Let's see what you get in the box. Okay, flick of the wrist. Now this is going to be a charging cable. Let's see. USB-A to USB Type-C. Okay, you got some different size ear tips. Let's see what we got on deck. Looks like small, medium, and large. All right, shoes. All right, you got to be quicker than that. All right, small, medium, and large. Let's see. Now you got some sports wings. Let's see how these look. Let me file the earbuds just in my pocket so shoes don't take them. All right, here we go. These are going to be your sports fins. Now, I actually like these, so I'm going to slap these on. All right, sports fins. Going to give you more security in your ears. And these are the Echo Buds. Just go ahead and open these up. Okay. Lightweight charging case. Here's the buds. Now, these are my type of earbuds, small and discreet. All right, I love the circular design. Let's see, left and right branding. Already comes with a set of ear tips, so you actually have 4 different size tips. All right, slap them back in the case. Little LED charging light. USB Type-C charging. There's your pairing button and your reset button. Little Amazon logo. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let me grab a phone. We'll pair these up and start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is the size difference between the original Echo Buds and the 2nd generation Echo Buds. Look at the charging case. The 2nd gen is a lot more smaller and more compact. Now, these are supposed to be 21% smaller, so let's do a little size comparison. Here's the originals. Here's the 2nd generation. If you notice, it is a lot smaller. You got the all matte black look. So in my opinion, they look better. Let's keep it moving. All right, next up, let's talk about the charging case. Now, when I pre-ordered these a couple of weeks ago, there was no option for wireless charge, so these are the non-wireless charge version. But if you spend that extra $20 and get the wireless charge case, when you want to charge your earbuds, you're going to grab a wireless charger, place the earbuds on it, and charge them up just like that. Now, since these are the non-wireless charge version, when you want to charge them up, drop in the USB Type-C charger. Now, as far as the case itself, small, compact, lightweight, matte black finish, no fingerprints, minimum branding. There's your reset multifunctional button, USB Type-C charging, and you have 3 LEDs. So in the front, you got your pairing LED, also your status LED, and you got 2 LEDs inside the case to let you know that the earbuds are charging them up when you drop them in. Okay, so you drop it in, get the light, let you know it made connection to the pins. Now, let's do the shake test on these. Let's start off at minimum shakeage. Okay, intermediate shakeage. Okay, intermediate shakeage, these are going to pop out. Let's try that one more time. Intermediate shakeage. Okay, well, maybe not. Let's try that again. Let's do that one more time. Okay, so we'll drop these in. Let's do minimum shakes. Intermediate shakes. Okay, it looks like just the right side is popping out. Let's do maximum shakeage for the left side. Okay, so intermediate shakeage for the right side, maximum shakeage for the left side. Let's keep it moving. All right, so the next thing you want to do is download the Alexa app and pair up your earbuds. Now, once you do that and set everything up, open up the app, and this is going to give you access to all of the features. So starting from the top, you can talk directly to Alexa. It shows your battery percentage for the left, the right, and the charging case. You can turn on ANC or ambient sound mode. You can mute your microphone. You can start a workout, or you can take it over to settings. Now, from settings, again, battery percentage of the earbuds and the case. I have on ambient sound mode right now. You can toggle the amount of ambient sound you want to hear. All right, so if you're hearing too much of your voice, turn it down some. You can enable Alexa hands-free. You can turn on side tone. Now, what side tone is, how much of your voice you want to hear when you're on a phone call. Some people like to hear their voice. Some people don't want to hear nothing. Again, toggle it on and off. You got your tap controls. Now, these aren't fully customizable except for long press. All right, so single tap, that's play and pause, answering and phone calls. Double tap, triple tap to reverse and skip songs. And long press. Now, if you long press, that's going to turn on ANC or ambient sound mode, and that one is customizable. So you can turn that to volume, native assistant, Alexa tap and talk, mic muted. Do your thing. All right, let's see anything else. Now, you got an equalizer. All right, so I'm going to start my testing with the EQ, everything set to stock, and then we'll play with it a little bit more. Let's see, you got your ear tip fit test, history profile. You got Find My Buds. All right, so if you want to, you turn them on, find your buds. Anything else? You got your profiles, send logs, and forget device. Now, these are Alexa earbuds, so you're going to have all of your skills. All right, so you can have Alexa start an appointment for you, make an alarm, make an announcement. All right, make an announcement is a nice feature. If you're wearing your earbuds in the house and you make an announcement, your voice will come through all of your Echo devices. All right, so basically all of your Alexa skills. Now let me show you what the earbud's going to look like when you put them in. All right, now one more thing I wanted to mention with the app. If you want to save battery, you can turn off active noise cancellation and pass-through modes. And instead of 5 hours battery, you get 6.5. And the same thing with the charging case. If you have active noise cancellation turned off, instead of 15 hours, you get 19 hours extra charge. All right, now as far as the fit, I love these. All right, they fit my ears perfectly. These are so lightweight and compact, and I love the discreet look. Now I'm wearing them right now. I'm going to do my head shake test. I'm going to start off at minimum shakeage. Okay, these didn't move at all. Let's go to intermediate shakeage. Okay, no movement. Maximum shakeage. Here we go. No movement at all. And on the side note, I did put them on using the wings. All right, so I tried one wing on this side and the other wing on the other side. 2 different fits, but they both fit exactly. All right, exactly the way I like. Let me show you how they look. Again, small and discreet. All right, not those big oval-shaped ones or the pencil styles that I hate. Nice, solid black earbuds with minimum branding. All right, so now for the most important part, let's do a sound test. All right, so I got a classic song queued up. We got Pop Smoke, Mood Swings. Now I'm going to start off with active noise cancellation turned on and max volume. The EQ is set to stock. All right, here we go. One tap for playing pause. Birdman hands rubbing together. I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. And one more thing I wanted to mention real quick. Now, usually when I test active noise canceling earbuds, I turn them on. The first thing I do is I do a few snaps. I will say this, the noise cancellation on these doesn't sound that great because my snaps are crystal clear and I hear my voice perfectly. Now, if you get a set of AirPod Pros or a set of Sonys or Panasonics or the Techniques, when you snap, it's going to sound like this. Like you'll barely hear it. Right now, I'm hearing my full snaps. But anyway, here we go. One tap for playing pause. Let's get it on. Okay. Okay. Now, these are definitely loud. I will give it that. Okay, here we go. Shorty a little baddie. Shorty my little boo thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I smash without a rubber. I nutted under covers. And I kept it undercover. Cause I don't kiss and tell. Every time I smash, she call me daddy. Woo, let's go. My little mama nasty. I see her through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a queen like Nefertiti. My little mama sitting pretty. And we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Let's go. Get off your knees. I'm your best friend, maybe you don't got a lot. I get you everything that you want and you need. The scene, it's on you to decide. Let me hold on. Woo, okay, hold on. Okay. All right, now look, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. As far as the audio quality of the music, I like it. I like it. I haven't even touched the EQ yet. So far, these are nice and loud. If you're worried about volume, don't. These are nice and loud, crystal clear mids and highs. Now, they could use a little bit more bass. So again, I'm going to go to the EQ settings and tweak that real quick and do another test. Look how loud. You hear it? Hold up. Did I play? Look how loud these are. Let me hit the play real quick. Listen to this. Uber. All right, so let me test a few more songs. All right, so I just tweaked the EQ settings, and now I'm testing out my #1 bass song for testing earbuds, Nipsey Hussle Blue Laces 2. All right, here we go. Now, I'm not going to sing. I actually want to hear this part. Okay, here it goes. All right, here it goes. Okay. Hold up. Oh, this is nice. All right, this is nice. Oh, man. They know that. Let's go. All right. Okay. Let me show y'all what I did real quick. All right, hold on. Let me show y'all what I did. All right. Now, this is the EQ settings that I went to just now. And these sound great. All right. For $120, I am not going to complain about the sound quality. I like it. I definitely like it. It's worth the price so far. But you're buying these for active noise cancellation, so we got to test that too. And let's test some more important features. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? All right, let's hit play on the music. Okay, the music is playing. I'm going to take out the right side, drop it in the case. Left side, drop it in the case. All of the lights are on, so it is charging up. Let's see if the music is playing. All right, music is disconnected. Here we go. Let's take them out. 1,000. 2 1,000. Oh, okay. Just like that. It already connected. The music is playing in my ears. All right, so 2 1,000s. That's excellent. All right, so now let's check the touch controls. One tap for play and pause. Okay, I just paused it. One tap again. Music is playing. Double tap to skip to the next song. Okay, no problems. Triple tap to reverse. Okay, no problems with that. And we have voice assistant. Alexa, what's the weather for today? Now, y'all can't hear it, but she's giving me the weather right now. All right, so all of the touch controls work. Simple taps. All right, now, a lot of y'all want me to make my videos a little bit shorter, so that's what I'm trying to do these days. So instead of showing you all of my other tests, I'm just going to tell you what I did. All right, I did the range test. I put them on. I walked 50 feet away from the phone. No drop connection at all. Next, I did the lag test. All right, I put them on. I watched YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. No lag when you're watching your videos. These would be perfect for that. And lastly, I did the phone call test. All right, I called Amaya on the phone. We had a whole conversation. She said she heard me fine. I heard her fine. You hear the person out of both ears. No issues with the mics for call quality. Now, this last thing that we got to talk about is the most important thing: active noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. Now, as far as ambient sound mode, it's pretty good. All right, if you got these on and you turn on ambient sound mode, you can have a full conversation without taking them out of your ears. And one of the dope things is you could go to the app and toggle the amount of ambient sound you want to hear. So if you're in a quiet environment, then you don't really need it that much. But if you're outside and you want to have a conversation and it's pretty loud, turn on pass-through technology all the way to the top and you'll hear your voice. It's a little bit robotic, but you'll hear your voice. Now, for active noise cancellation, I got to be honest with y'all. The active noise cancellation on these is not that great. All right, it's pretty basic. Like I said earlier, when I put them on, I immediately heard all of my snaps. I went outside, I walked around the corner, just walking through the neighborhood, listening to the neighborhood sounds. And it's pretty much, you're going to hear everything. It's pretty much basic noise cancellation. It might tone down a little bit of sounds from the background, but you're better off just turning up the volume and listening to louder music. All right? The active noise cancellation on these is not that great. Now, just for comparison, I put on my AirPod Pros in the same environment, and the difference between the AirPod Pros and these is unbelievable. All right, the AirPod Pros really cancel out a lot of noise. These don't cancel out that much noise. All right, so if you work in a loud factory, or you work as an Uber driver, or you just work somewhere where you really don't want to hear the outside noises, these ain't going to be the best earbuds for you. All right, they got a bunch of features on these. They sound great. The call quality is great. I love the look and the fit, but the active noise cancellation is not that great. All right, it's really not. Now, I want to do one more test. I want to put these up against the original Echo Buds and see if the sound quality sounds better. Because you're not buying these for ANC, so you might want to just save some money and buy the originals. But let me do a little sound test real quick. All right, so I just did some thorough testing, and as far as the audio quality, both of these sound the same. All right, they pretty much sound identical. They sound great, and they both have an app that you can tweak the settings. But the main difference is noise reduction versus noise cancellation. All right, with the originals, you got noise reduction. It's not that great. With the new ones, you got active noise cancellation. Now, it's not as good as the AirPods or the Sonys, but it does cancel out more noise than the originals. And pass-through sound. All right, ambient sound mode is way better on the second generation than the first generation. All right, your voice is a lot more cleaner and clearer, and you hear more ambient sound. So, which ones would I recommend? Honestly, if you're just going for sound, save some money and go with the originals. But if it was me and my money, I would spend the extra $40, go with the new ones. You're getting more noise cancellation, better ambient sound mode, and in my opinion, they just look better. All right, they're smaller, more discreet, and have a better fit. Not to mention, if you spend an extra $20 on top of that, you can have the wireless charger on the case. So anyway, Amazon Echo Buds, second generation, are these worth $120? The answer is yes. All right, you're getting all of your Alexa features, great battery life, phone calls sound pretty good. The sound quality from the music is excellent. Right, the sound quality is excellent for a set of $100 earbuds. I'm really not going to complain, and you can use them individual. These are a go. All right, I would definitely recommend both of these earbuds. Like I said, if you don't care about ANC, save some money, just go with these for sound quality. But if you want a better look, a little more ANC, and a few more features, go with the new ones. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these.
It does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.